Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking on the Farm. I'm Rachel and today I am making a vanilla simple syrup. It's simple. Come on in, let's check out our ingredients. The ingredients are equal parts sugar, water, and a vanilla pod or bean. I was talking to my mother-in-law about vanilla because she loves vanilla flavoring, but she's finding that a lot of her friends and people that she knows can't have vanilla because it has alcohol in it. And so we were talking and I was like, you could make vanilla simple syrup. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And then I'm going to put it in a bottle and take it to her and give it to her for Christmas so that she can share it with her friends. With simple syrup, you just boil down the water. And so I'm infusing this to taste like vanilla. So I'm going to thicken it up. So I'm going to, reduce it. So I have a cup of sugar and I think about a cup and a half of water because I wanted to fill this guy up. And honestly, I should have measured it. Probably honestly 3 cups. Maybe I should. So I measured my bottle. It's about 2 1/4 cups, which it's going to be a little shy. That's okay. I am going to leave the vanilla beans in here. So I don't know, because the black pan, you can't really see the beans that much, but I will be taking out the pod. So I am literally just going to let this come to a boil. Super good. I actually might leave the vanilla bean in there so it's like pretty. I don't have a Cricut or anything like that, or else I would put a label on there. It's been going. It is not thick. It's like, I don't know if you can see. It's thicker. It's like a very light. It's not thick like honey. It's more watery. It'll coat your spoon. There you go. I am literally going to seal this up. You can find these at the dollar store. They're super cool. Anyway, look at that. That is an easy Christmas present for someone. So I'm gonna put this in my fridge. I can feel warmth, but not really. I'm gonna say this is gonna last a good month in your refrigerator. You're just watch for mold on the top. That's it, okay? Don't put anything in here besides dumping out, and make sure it's always sealed. So into my fridge. All right, guys, from my kitchen to yours, I hope you guys try this vanilla simple syrup. God bless. Ooh, this would be good in lemonade. Oh, I'm gonna try that. I have lemonade, huh? All right, this is probably done.
Oh, I can't.
Did you know all snowflakes are different in shape and in what's in them? They're actually dirty. They're purifying the air. They have dust, sand, pollen, all kinds of stuff in them.
Learned that from Magic School Bus.
I did. Thank you, Miss Frizzle. Okay, so literally everything's in the pot. I am going to light my stove. All right. What's more watery than honey but thick?
Like a soda pop.
No, that's like water.
That's it, molasses, but that's really.
That's way thicker. Anyway.
Salsa.
No, that's chunky.